The vaccination superstation at Petco Park reopened today. Whether it remains open is an open question.
We have received word that several shipments that were scheduled to arrive this week will not be arriving due to weather.
In the county's Wednesday news conference, Supervisor Nathan Fletcher said beginning tomorrow, the county will likely have to pause vaccinations at some locations. He didn't say which ones. Fletcher says the county will also have to reschedule some existing appointments. But he says supply chain issues should work themselves out over the next week to 10 days. Then, Fletcher says the county, along with other vaccine distributors, will throttle back up and move into the next tier of recipients.
We do believe and have a high degree of confidence that at the first week of March, we will be able to move into that first tier of essential workers, teachers, food and agriculture, and law enforcement.
At the state level, Governor Newsom continued his tour of vaccination sites.
These things don't just magically arrive in the grocery store.
Newsom was in Coachella today, and he broke some news. He's reached a deal with lawmakers on small business grants, one-time $600 stimulus checks for low-income Californians, and housing for farm workers who've gotten COVID. The $24 million program will pay for farm and food processing workers to stay in hotels if they contract the virus and have no place to quarantine. Newsom also talked about the state's rapid improvement in COVID numbers.
1 month ago today, we had 11.3% positivity in the state of California. Today, it's 3.3%. 1 month ago today, we had 42,000 reported cases. Today, just over 4,000.
Newsom says over the last 2 weeks, there's been a 38% reduction in the number of people hospitalized with COVID-19. Supervisor Fletcher reported the same positive situation for San Diego County, the numbers continuing to move in the right direction. Like Fletcher, the governor says the state is ready to ramp vaccinations way up as soon as the weather cooperates and the federal government increases its allocation to California. John Carroll, KPBS News.